Welcome to the Synchronome Depence video tutorial episode 6. In this episode we will learn how to create schedules. Schedules consist of individual day plans, weekly plans and year plans. The daily schedule can start individual shows at certain times. The schedule then indicates on which day of the week the show will run from Monday through to Sunday and what day plan will be executed. The year plan also shows dates from which a week plan is to be executed or whether a special day plan such as a holiday event should be started. The scheduler can be accessed via the Time Planner button. The left-hand side of the day planner displays the hours. And the upper line displays the minutes. To insert a sequence into the planner, right-click and add the sequence. For special holidays, you can create a different daily schedule. The sequences can be coloured to distinguish between them. In the week planner, you insert from your list of daily schedules. If the column is empty, there will be no events on that particular day. To create an annual plan, create the year number as a name. for example 2014. You can only create 1 year plan for each year. The scheduler in Depence looks for any special week plans that have been placed into it. Depence will always look backwards for the last event that has been inserted. Therefore, if we wanted to use the same plan throughout the year, we would simply place our chosen week plan into January the 1st. So now, no matter when you start up the scheduler, Depence will always choose the weekly schedule from January the 1st and run the current weekday schedule. For example, for the 26th of August, Depence will run the daily schedule that has been created for a Tuesday. Also, if you have a special specific holiday schedule that you wish to perform, for example on the 1st of May, you can insert the special day plan that you've created directly onto the day. This day plan will only be executed on the days that you have set into the year planner. The day after, Depence will revert back to the last weekly event, in this case the January 1st. Depence also gives you the facility to start sequences and scenes manually. Press the Live Panel button to open the control. If you are using the Synchronome V server to play your shows, this panel will be displayed on the screen. When your project is complete, you can then send all of the project data to your V server or V Nano. We can then auto-detect whether there is a server currently connected to the system. The show has now been loaded onto the V server or the V Nano and can play automatically or manually. This is the last of the beginner tutorial videos for the Synchronome Depence system, and we have only demonstrated a tiny part of the functions that are actually available. Depence has been specially designed for fountains and multimedia shows, and will constantly evolve with other new great features that will make your work fast and efficient. Thank you for watching.